What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick clean review of the iPhone 16 Pro clear case. Yes, it's £50, it's expensive. But yeah, I've got the iPhone 16 Pro in Desert Titanium. I'm going to be showing you guys about the case, whether you should be buying it or not. And without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so here it is, the iPhone 16 Pro clear case, the MagSafe edition. And yes, I do have the Desert Titanium iPhone, but without anything else said, let's get this opened up. Guys, it is a pretty expensive case. For £50, you can get a lot of other stuff, but you know what, it's Apple, I don't really care. So we've got some paperwork, don't really need to care about that. Let's talk about the actual case. So here it is, the case. I don't know why they need this much packaging for a phone, but yeah, on the inside, MagSafe, designed by Apple in California, yada yada yada, assembled in China. First impressions, you are paying a significant amount for a case, which means it is gonna feel much better than the other plastic cases you can get. Feeling like proper plastic. This is the MagSafe ring. You can't actually feel it on the outside of the case, which is good. And yeah, it's a pretty substantial amount of plastic. It definitely does not feel cheap. On the side, we do have the capture button, and yes, it will work with all the touch features and stuff. Your power button, your action button, and your volume buttons. So yeah, without anything else said, let's just put this inside. And yeah, you do get the animation to show you've got the official case if you want to flex to your friends. But yeah, it doesn't add much weight to it either. It's not that much, not that substantial. At the bottom, the whole port selection is actually clear. Like, there's nothing interrupting this whole thing, including your speakers. So yeah, you could potentially get some scratches here, I guess. But again, grade 5 titanium, shouldn't have to worry. Any of your USB-C cables will fit. The cameras, it is slightly ledged up, so it won't be touching the actual cameras when putting it down on a table. So that's another good touch. Power button feels nice, not clicky, but you are still clicking capture button. Not capture button, the action button. And then the capture button, yep, it works. And then if I quickly show you guys, the pressure sensitivity also works, and also the sliding features. So you definitely have to check what case you're getting in case you want the capture button to work or not, because some cases this movement feature is just not gonna work. Like when you do this, it's just gonna bug out because it can't register. But yeah, quick review of the iPhone 16 Pro clear case. Here's a bit of a look to it. Obviously, it's a clear case. You're going to be seeing the color how it is. I personally like buying the clear cases, especially when buying the exclusive colors, because you bought the exclusive color. Do you not want to show off the exclusive color? But yeah, this will probably look good on all of your natural titanium phones, the white one, the black one. But the Desert Titanium is the new phone, and I can admit that it looks really, really good, as you guys can see. But yeah, that was the official clear case for the iPhone 16 Pro. Pretty simple, not much to say, not much has been added over the last couple of years of having this case. MagSafe also works, wireless charging also works. If you guys want this case, £50, take it or leave it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.